Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
Khalids apparently chow each other, Chief.
Siblings.
You don't know.
No, but I believe that because Khalids are crazy.
DSTV has officially dropped the Open Chats podcast following public outrage over a viral clip filled with offensive remarks about
against them. We're opening a criminal case on top of writing to the SABC.
They were coming for me, bro.
Hey, winner.
Do you guys know that Sandle is he probably wondering how I ended up in this situation? And also the Jet2 holiday. When I'm in South Africa, you'll get punished if you don't know your limits. Like you'll literally get punished. And I know to punishwa, ama comments pela, you'll also be punished by a band in real life. They'll go open a case for you if I'll bambik. Let's show you guys know as the Open Chats. The Open Chats show, we only know it ngokuthi they talk there's snacks, explicit things. Boom, show me your bum. How many men have you slept with? Sexual content talking about Bob Bruce, Bonaquida, Abosima, Abokespa Vest. Like bakhuluma izinto nje. I don't know. Mara, it's understandable. It's open chats. Like, talk whatever you want to talk. But this time around, Babampile, they went so far that they forgot Hori. We still in the racism era where people are still affected by isn't the in the past, especially Laba Batala. Besides Laba Batala, none of they get affected too, especially as the old you should know that they could my good say rights. Because at this point we are in a high rate of sexual abuse cases, and so them saying such things touch many people. Because how can you say siblings chow each other while some families are still facing difficulties of having perpetrators inside the family, people who offend and rape their siblings while you joke about such thing. Like, since then, they took down the video and apologized. But it seems like Gaten McKenzie and Sam Khalid and half of East South Africa don't receive their apology well. But for include the law until the law do justice by their side. And they are reprimanding anyone, nagu future, ugusi, whatever you say, limit buyanganene, especially if ever uzokhuluma ngomuntu and expect them to react in such a way ukuthi kumele babecome our guys. Yes, you can freedom of speech, but limit your freedom of speech. Yazi ukuthi uphelelaphi. What are your thoughts on this, guys? Thank you for watching.